Welcome to segment 2 of video series on credit and debit card. In this video we will learn about how your credit or debit card number is generated, how many parties are involved in delivering your debit card to your home. Initially cards are manufactured by chip card manufacturer, which is just a white card with ICC and operating system embedded in it. Then comes the embossing vendor. Issuer bank is the bank which issues your credit or debit card. Suppose you are having an account in SBI or BOB, then SBI or BOB is your issuer bank. Each issuer bank have signed a contract with the embossing vendor. Embossing vendor purchases the white card with chip and operating system from chip card manufacturer. Your bank sends a personalized file to the embossing vendor, which consists the customer name, address, the card number that we have to send, what is the payment scheme the card is related. Suppose it is a RuPay card, then it is RuPay. If it is a MasterCard, then it is MasterCard. Then the embossing vendor sends the personalized card to your address. All the artwork that is to be printed in your personalized card is decided between your embossing vendor and in your issuer bank. The personalized file shared by your issuer bank to the embossing vendor is always encrypted. How many keys are involved between embossing vendor and issuer bank, how they are generated, and how embossing vendor decrypt this personalized file. We will learn about this in upcoming lectures. A typical credit or debit card consists of the following information. It consists the name of the bank, it consists the card number, it consists the name of the card holder, it consists the expiry date, it consists of the EMV chip, and it consists the logo of payment network. Suppose it is a RuPay card, RuPay will be printed here. Suppose it is a MasterCard, then the logo of MasterCard will be printed here. Back of the card consists of magnetic strip, and CVV value is also printed on the back of the card. CVV is also known as CAB, CID, CBC or CBB based on the payment brand. CAB stand for card authorization value, CID stand for card identifier, CBC stand for card verification code, CVV stand for card verification value. All are same, just the naming convention differ based on the payment brand. Typically card number is of 16 digits. First digit of the card is called as MII, Major Industry Identifier. Basically it identifies for which industry the card is issued. 1 or 2 starting digit of the card are reserved for airlines. Third is for travel and entertainment. Typically 4 or 5, 6 are reserved for banking and financial institutes. 7 is reserved for petroleum and other future industry assignment. 8 is for healthcare, and 9 is for assignment by national standard bodies. Next 6 digit along with MII is IIN or BIN. BIN is bank identifier number or issuer identifier number. It identifies for which bank the card is issued. Typically bank has to buy a BIN, a range of card number for which they can issue to their customers. Next digit excluding the last digit are account identifier. This identifies the customer for which a particular card is issued. It is initial few digit in the BIN number, bank identification number, identifies the issuing network of the particular card. So you can see, as you can see in the table, issuing network and their IIN range. So as you can see, RuPay card generally starts with 60, 65, 81, 82, 508, and they are of 16 digit. So if first 2 digit of your card is 60, then it belongs to the RuPay network. Then next 6 digit including this 60, so 60, the next 4 digit, total of 6 digit, identifies the issuing bank of the particular card. Last digit of the card is checksum digit. Generally, checksum digit is identified by Lund's algorithm. Let's learn about Lund's algorithm. Suppose this is the account number of the customer. We multiply alternate number by the digit 2. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So 7 multiplied by 1 is 7, 9 2 is 18, 9 1 is 9, 2 2 is 4, 7 1 is 7, 3 into 2 6, 9, 16, 7 and 2. Now we do the modulus of 10 wherever we got the 2 digit number. So 7 is 7, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 remains 9, 4, 7, 6, 9, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 and 2. Now we add all these 10 numbers. So I have already calculated the sum, it is 67. So we do 10 minus 67 mod of 10, then again mod of 10. So 67 mod 10 is 7 mod 10. 3 modulus of 10 is 3. So for this particular account number, the check digit comes up to be the 3. So last digit of the card number is 3.